me haters, I'm making money. Ah boy, what is spamming now, man? The lady say must come up on the hill. No, me they up on the hill, me no know which one of them direction you have to take. Which one of them road you have to take now. Come like say Josiah can't give a good direction, you know. Sure. Hello, good morning. Yeah. May I speak to Miss Josiah, please? Yeah, good morning, Miss Josiah. I'm up on the hill now. I'm seeing two roads and I don't know which one of these roads I should take. Miss, is not so you do business, you know. You need to give good direction, you know, miss. Okay, you see I'm 10 minutes away from the house. Okay then, miss. I'll be there shortly. Okay. Must this the house she tell me about. Josiah! Josiah!
Oh, Jeremiah, you are here. Oh.
From when me out here call, man.
Point of correction. Jeremiah. Madam Josiah.
Okay, Miss Josiah.
Madam Josiah. You can enter.
Okay.
You're going to enjoy yourself here. So, Jeremiah, how was your trip? Oh?
Well, my trip was great, you know, Miss Josiah. But when I reached down there, I couldn't find the direction because they give me a wrong direction. So when I come up on the hill, I will see the house and I nearly have to walk almost another mile again to reach here.
I'm sorry about that, man, but point of correction. When you are addressing me, you have to say Madam Josiah. And I'm very sorry about that, oh. You know I'm getting old, you know. So you have to see with me. It's not that I wanted to tell you for you to go all over the place. So, I heard you were an entertainer.
Yes, miss. I'm an entertainer, you know. I do music. I have music on iTunes, Spotify, all over.
Oh my God. So you mean to tell me my son is friend with an entertainer? What is your name, oh?
Ethic Boss.
Ethic Boss. Eh. So, Ethic Boss. So where you from, oh?
Well, I'm from Jamaica, you know.
Oh my God. And you come all the way around the world to come to Nigeria at Madam Josiah house to rent it for a week.
Yes, miss.
Hey, I promise you, you will enjoy every moment of staying at Madam Josiah house.
Well, let's see.
Hey, my son tell me so much about you, but he didn't tell me that you were an entertainer, oh. Because I would fix up the place like it's Christmas. Hiya!
Thank you, Miss Josiah.
Oh my God, it's a pleasure, man, having you here with me.
Well,
I will take good care of you.
Thank you for that.
I want you to meet even my neighbors and my friends. They will know that when they see Madam Josiah walking out, they will know that Madam Josiah is a star. Hiya! Hey! But I heard you come over here to do like shows where you take the mic and you go on the stage and you...
Yes, I'm getting a call. Sorry to...
You doing what?
I'm getting a call.
But we are talking.
Yeah, but I'm getting this is very important.
You just got here, oh.
I'm sorry about that. Hello?
Let me go and put in his luggage.
Yeah, man, just reaching a place here, you know, but the kind of loss, you know. Just reaching my yard, you know. Well, it's set up a way, you know. Lady come like say, yo, now go make it out with her, you know, because she does up in my business, my you know, not like any type of style, you understand? I come for rent a place, she don't need to up in my business like that. Well, me just go and stick out and see what go on, and if anything I do, me just cut and get somebody different. You see it? Yeah, me don't even know if she'll listen still, you know. Me call you back still, now later. Alright, yeah, man.
Oh, so, Jeremiah, you didn't tell your friend that you're coming to Nigeria to spend some time here?
Yeah, I did.
But you should be the one to call them. Why they are calling you as you get by here?
Miss Josiah, I don't think that is necessary. Now, remember that I'm a businessman. And I'm gonna get called.
Madam Josiah.
Okay, Madam
I
Josiah.
said when you come to my house, you are in my care. My son tell me to take very good care of you. So therefore, I will not have phone ring as you come here. You are here to rest and relax and go on shows. And when you go on shows, you will tell them that you stay at Madam Josiah residence. But I cannot take the phone ringing already.
So what am I supposed to do now, Miss Josiah?
Because we are talking, so your friends need to know that they must wait until you call them. Not they call you to bother us talking. Oh.
Okay then. Okay, Miss Josiah.
And also, what I want you to do for me, I want you to, when you write your song, you put Madam Josiah in the song. And I want to be in one of the music videos as well. Is that too much to ask for? Is that too much?
No, Miss
So why you looking like that, like you're not pleased with what Madam Josiah say?
I'll do it.
Well, I want to hear your song. Oh. Can you sing one for me now? Oh?
I'll do it shortly.
I want to hear you.
Miss Josiah, I'm very tired.
I know you're tired, but I would want to hear something from you to see if my son is telling a lie or something. Oh. I don't believe you're an entertainer. I know. You just write it on it because you want to trick Madam Josiah.
No,
please let me
Josiah.
hear a song. Oh.
Making money, ethic boss, making money.
While you sit and criticize me haters, I'm making money. I'm stuck in the cheddar, bricks so light and no feather. I'm climbing up the ladder. Oh, while you sit and criticize me haters, I'm making money. I'm stuck in the cheddar, bricks so light and no feather. I'm climbing up the ladder. Oh, I've got 10 jeeps, high span risk, a cold delete a drip. Some boy get talk about riches on the lip, them just a flip. The eagle pan my waist, me grip it firm, it never stick. You feel your chest make out a steal, the eagle fly with pitch. Rich lifetime and I live, you wish I you want me, don't it? Exercise me and we trade that's the way me stay fit. Graph like them, no, me never waste it. Invest in couple business, that's the way me use it. While you sit and criticize me haters, I'm making money. I'm stuck in the cheddar, bricks so light and no feather. I'm